Hi friends, welcome to our reading today. I'm out in nature bringing to you just this lovely environment. I know it's probably a little hard to see, but there's like greenery all around me. Okay, I just had to show that to you. I wanted to kind of get out and do something different. You know me, I like to do different sceneries. So hopefully you are having a beautiful day. We are starting to move into the dark moon phase, the Islamic phase of the moon. It was just in Taurus, and now it's going to be going into Gemini. We will have our new moon in Gemini come Saturday. So we'll be working through that last phase, which in that last phase of the moon, we are releasing, we are clearing, things come up for purification, whether they're shadows, past patterns, old, maybe even old memories, cyclical memories, karmic patterns. Release, release, release. It's so important that we're calling in the archangels to assist us. The ascended masters are supportive, guides of light, ancestors of light. It's a great time to release and heal ancestral trauma, timeline trauma, um, whole human race trauma, race memory trauma of the entire human existence. It's a good time for healing, releasing the ones that which is of old consciousness of the mind, allowing it to be purified, utilizing the violet flame, utilizing different modalities of purification, healing of the greatest and harmonious, highest way possible, and then replacing that with the healthy patterns, the healthy new consciousness, ways of living, ways of thinking, ways of acting, bringing that together in the culmination here on the planet. And remember, what one does affects all, even if we can't necessarily see that. We are all connected to the earth, we are all connected to each other. And I was seeing this vision that when each time our foot touches the ground, it creates like an electromagnetic heartbeat, a beat that goes out to the rest of the earth and communicates not only with the planet but with everyone on it. So imagine just millions and billions and trillions of heartbeats walking on the planet all the time, interconnected with each other, and everyone is picking up from each other. So just think about where our consciousness is and how that is affecting everything. I saw that like visualization the other day and I was just like, wow, it's so intense. So just remembering how powerful we really are in this space and place and time. And when you think of it that way, it's like, wow. And yes, we are very small and insignificant in the great galaxy of infinity, but at the same time, it's all a matter of perspective in a lot of ways. So just that little tidbit um, and to carry on. Um, yes. So today for our reading, we pulled from this gorgeous deck. It's one of my new decks, Tarot of Dreams, and there's the cutest little chipmunk family over there. Tiniest baby chipmunks. Oh my god, they're so small. They're like this big. Okay. And so this, remember, we just moved out of Taurus, Moon in Taurus, and we're moving into Moon in Gemini. So the cards that came up, the first one was the Palace of Coins. This is the Palace of Earth. And this is actually not a tarot card in this deck. This is like a place that we go. How pretty that is. A place that we go for our restoration of that element. So it's almost like if we had a temple in the earthly realm of the most magnificent and beautiful, perfect essence for us individually. Temple of Earth. So, what would your Earth temple look like? This is your place where you will get restored. Your body gets restored, your mind gets restored, your soul gets restored. The Archangel Auriel is the angel that rules over the element Earth. Maybe you can do a meditation, connect with Auriel, call Auriel to you and to assist you on the earthly plane, whether that has to do with home, money, family, relationships, food, water, sustenance, whatever it is that you require in the earthly realm. Okay. I also did a post this past week about the angel Asmodel, who is the angel of Taurus. And Asmodel has been asking me to speak about him and to call him in, because he also assists in the earthly realm and assists in foundation building, assists in harmonizing relationships, friendships, family relationships, and bringing solutions and healing frequencies and manifestations to them. So, to the angel Asmodel or the Archangel Auriel, I did post a picture, so-called picture, because we don't really know exactly what the angels look like, on my Instagram page of Asmodel, as well as a small post with it. Remember, we are finishing up with the North Node in Taurus. So it's a really good time to really focus on the foundation and what we're bringing in. Remember, Jupiter is expanding everything in Taurus. So it's so important to do that. Next card we got, oh, I felt mosquito, is the King of Earth. So the King of Earth is coming in to assist us, to help us in that restoration, taking action, ruling our earthly kingdom from that higher sovereign state of our own divinity made manifest on earth. What actions do we need to take to bring these tasks, these desired manifestations, the way we want to rule our kingdom into manifestation? Write these down. Write down what we need to release. Write down what we need to bring in. It is that new moon in Gemini, so it's a great time to brainstorm, to bring those inspirations from the etheric realm to the earthly realm. Okay? And then the last card was the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. So when the Ace of Swords comes up, this is new beginnings, new starts, new fresh air, which is perfect actually for the moon in Gemini, new moon in Gemini. Just remember not to get too caught up in the mind. If the mind starts to go a little wonky, crazy, it's moving too fast, take some time to step back, ground into your body, reset. That's super important. Call on the Archangel Raphael, who is the Archangel of Air, to assist in guiding and directing the consciousness, the brain consciousness, the brain waves and frequencies, and setting new patterns, releasing old, setting new, healing old, allowing new, replacing those old patterns with healthy, positive, restorative thought frequencies. That's what I'm hearing. Okay? And the card that I pulled for, let's see, the Priestesses, I have another deck. Try to keep this a little bit shorter. Let's see, what Priestess is coming to us today? Ooh, death and rebirth, darkness into light. Oh my goodness, look at that. And look, she has the two black jaguars by her side, the sacred jaguars. This is number 19, and she is coming to us today and reminding us. I don't know where my book is with this. Oh wait, here it is. Sorry, I got distracted. I have cards everywhere. Cards everywhere. And it says, the affirmation is, I turn to my eternal soul for power and direction. I fearlessly face the future, darkness into light. Any change that may present itself should be considered from a spiritual point of view. Look within, whether you're dealing with a lost job or the shifting or ending of a relationship. There is a deeper message or lesson in the experience. Trust yourself and in your future, for you're stronger and more resourceful than you realize. Your personal power is charged with the energy of your eternal spirit. It will light the darkness and carry you forward into a truly wonderful life. The Panther Priestess, dressed in white, comes to tame the difficult energies within this transition. She carries the antler totem icon of clear perception. She directs you to open your awareness to the new opportunities coming your way. That's so beautiful, and I feel like we're all going through this at so many different levels. All right, my beloveds, until next time, sending you so many blessings, so much love.